Well, welcome to this product demonstration video we're making for the ValueMed and UK drug testing websites. We're going to demonstrate for you this new UK drug testing branded product, which is designed for environmental or surface testing. It can also be used on powders, solutions of crushed tablets or vegetative matter that you're wanting to screen and detect the presence of any drugs. Now, this is a 10 drug screen card here. Identified for powder and surface wipes with the abbreviation powder on the back. Screens for the presence of amphetamines, benzodiazepines, cocaine, ketamine, ecstasy, methamphetamine, opiates, fentanyl, nitrazine and xylazine. The reference on here is DOA 11104 and the lot numbers and expiry dates are also printed on these foils, together with a minimal set of instructions in terms of, quick instruction guide here. The full set of instructions can be accessed by scanning this QR code and they will download directly to your phone. A very simple and easy to use device. We've also got a QR code linking directly back to the website where this is available for sale on UK Drug Testing. So let's crack one open and demonstrate the product for you. Inside the foil we have the test cassette device together with a little pouch of desiccant. This can be put back into the foil pouch and disposed of after the test has been used. UK drug testing branding, and then you've got the drug abbreviations in each of these slots with the results window front and rear. This is a double-sided test cassette, so you've got 5 results on one side and 5 results on the other. Also included on the cover of the device are indicative, positive and negative results in terms of guiding you in interpreting the results. To do the test, simply pull the cover off, which displays the 10 prongs. You can see these 2 on each of these slots, 1 for each side. Now, to do a surface test, it's very simple. All you do is wipe the product over the surface that you consider may have contamination for drugs about 5 to 10 times on each side. If you've got a powder that you're wishing to test, you can crush that and again wipe the product through the powder. If you've got a tablet that you wish to test, it can be crushed into a fine powder and again the test can be wiped through the powder. Alternatively, with powders or tablets that have been crushed or vegetative matter, they can be placed into the cover here and 5 to 10 mils of tap water added into the cover, and then simply place the test back into the cover and shake it as such, very gently to agitate it to mix the powder or crushed tablets into the solution, and that will run the test. If you are doing a dry wipe test over a surface and you wish to run it, then just have a container that's wide enough with 5 to 10 mils of water in, and after you've completed the wipe test, simply dip the prongs to just below the plastic. It says do not allow the sample to touch the plastic device, and it needs to be inserted for between 5 and 15 seconds while it absorbs liquid, and you can start to see a couple of these membranes already starting to run with that pink dye running upwards towards the drug coding in these windows. We're looking for the development of a test line and a control line of each of these. Good advice is to just leave it in the water or solution you've made using crushed tablet or powder until you see most of those windows filled with pink dye. There's no reason why it can't be left in there. Once you've finished, remove it and place it back in its cover. Now, as you can see here, we're starting to get that pink dye on all 10 of these membranes. And if we use this side as an example, you can see that within around 30 seconds to 60 seconds, we've already on this side got a full set of control lines indicating adequate liquid has flowed through the whole window area, and we've got a full set of test lines indicating negative results for these 5 drug groups. If I reverse this over, have a look at the other side, I can see again 5 control lines. The XYL test line is just very faintly just starting to show. If you haven't got a test line showing, at this stage, but the control line is showing. You need to wait in this situation between 5 and a maximum of 10 minutes for a test line to develop. And if there is no test line showing on any of these membranes in the presence of a control line at 10 minutes, that indicates the drug group has been identified by the test. The overall accuracy is all specified on our website listing for each of the 10 membranes. It allows a modern, comprehensive environmental test to be performed, tablet test and powder test, for the common recreational drugs of abuse that are out there in the UK currently. And we think this is an excellent combination and easy to use product that allows workplaces, parents and individuals to screen for the presence of drugs in suspected areas around their homes, workplaces, schools, offices, and as part of research. So that is the UK drug testing 10 drug surface wipe. It's presented in this format. We'll pop a link in the description which will take you through to the website listing where this product is currently available for sale from UK Drug Testing and ValueMed websites here in the UK. Thanks for watching.